The school syllabus is to be cut by 50%. That is what the Education Minister Prakash Javadekar has proposed at the current NCERT school syllabus be halved from the 2019 session, and the reduction in the syllabus be applicable from class 1 to class 12.
From the Harappa civilization to the writing of the constitution, from polymers to chemical kinetics, senior school students are expected to literally know it all.
Like the chemistry formulas and all the mugging up stuff, that's a bit too much which happens. And history, yes. Because there's too much syllabus, we go for outside tuitions and more help from others. Therefore, we're not independent and we cannot handle our syllabus ourselves.
For students like Rohan, HRD Minister Javadekar's proposal to lessen coursework is a ray of hope.
It's about rewriting of syllabus, the way we teach. It's a revolution. We need to impart life skills. We must give time for physical education, whatever they want to do. Then there is need of experiential learning. There is need of value education.
I find the current syllabus really heavy, and I think it'll be a really good thing because it'll give students more time to take part in curricular activities.
With the massive volume of coursework for board classes and the current focus on content over comprehension, teachers also welcome this step. But simply dropping chapters may not be enough.
I would presume that the minister also, the Honourable Minister, would look at the evaluation procedures as well as the syllabus itself. You know, cutting the size of syllabus would also depend on what you want to cut. It's not just the quantity, but also, how do you retain quality.
To ensure that lesser coursework does not leave students behind, Prakash Javadekar says that revising competitive exams is also on the cards. To begin with, students can hope for lighter bags by 2020. This is Nimisha Jaiswal for NDTV.
We also spoke with the minister who has proposed this idea for more details on what exactly it will entail.
Joining us now, Mr. Javadekar himself. Thanks very much for being with us. So why did you feel the need to cut down the coursework prescribed by NCERT in its texts down by 50%?
See, what is the aim of education? The aim of education is to bring out a good human being out of the system. If that is the thing, then you must have experiential learning, life skill learning, physical education, value education, extracurricular activities. There has to be space. What I find today is the curriculum is so much cramped. See, we are not to produce the data banks. Human brain is not data bank alone. And human brain is not just information and too much of information. No, it's much more than that. It's the analytical ability, the knowledge, the principles, the life skills which he needs in his life. But the value education on which the ethics which he will run the business or do anything, whatever he wants. And at the same time, he must have the physical education, he must play whatever sports he likes, whatever he wants to do, but he must exert and have perspiration. If all these things, when I have discussed for last 2 years with all teachers, students, parents, the only problem is that so much a crammed curriculum is the problem where they don't get any time other than reading books and mugging it up.
But sir, when would you be able to implement this? It will mean rewriting textbooks.
We are thinking that within next year there will be a lot of debate, and we are asking, this week only we will ask all our teachers who are teaching their subject that what can be taken off without compromising on the basic knowledge, without compromising on the basic abilities,